Hi everyone, welcome to Vishwa Blooms. So subscribe to Vishwa Blooms and click the bell icon to get all our latest updates and notifications. So we'll be looking at polynomials, class 8 AM2 classroom packages. So let's begin. We are left with emerald and diamond. So in this video we'll see emerald package only. So let's begin. So first, looking at the first question, if kx cube plus 8x square minus 4x plus 10 is divided by x plus 1, it leaves the remainder minus 3. We have to find the value of k. So which number it will be divided, and the remainder also they have given. We have to find the value of k here. So it's like one of the problem we have done in challenges of AM2 itself. So let's do this also. Okay, so the given data is written on the board. Now we will see this solving. So the divisor is x plus 1, that is g of x. We have to equate it to 0 as usual, same every time. So plus 1 goes to RHS and become minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. Now wherever you find x in the equation, you will put minus 1 there. Okay, simple only. Now k into minus 1 cube plus 8 into minus 1 square minus 4 into minus 1 plus 10 is equal to minus 3. So now minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 cube, that is minus 1 itself. So we will write it as minus k. Then a minus 1 square is plus 1, so plus 8. Then 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. So minus into minus of 4 is plus 4. So plus 4 and again plus 10 as it is equal to minus 3. Right? Now we will add this up. This full numbers, right? We can add it. It becomes 22. So minus k plus 22 is equal to minus 3. So that will be equal to minus k is equal to minus 3 minus 22, right? Because when plus 22 goes to RHS, it becomes minus 22. So now when you add up this, so same sign we have to add. So minus k is equal to minus 25. So this minus will get cancelled and the value of k is 25. Here I wrote. Sorry, it has been wrong. This is the answer. You may take a screenshot or note it down. Now we'll see the second question. So second question is the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Okay, we have to find the remainder for this. The polynomial is given and the divisor is also given, that is g of x is also given. So it's like the same question we did in Perl package, like x minus 5 we have to do that, no? Same like that only. So let's do that. Okay, so this is the given data from the question. Now this is g of x, right? So we will equate that to 0. So what will happen? Minus a goes to RHS and become plus a. So x is equal to a then. So wherever you find x in the polynomial, you will put a. That means p of x will now become p of a. So write p of a. Now x square will become x cube will become a cube. A into a square plus 6a minus a. Fine, so here 1 power will be there, right? So a to the power 1 into a to the power 2 is a to the power 3. So a cube minus a cube. 6a minus a is plus 5a, right? Yes, so then a cube will get cancelled. And finally, P of A is 5A. That's it. Answer is given. C. So first answer is also C only. Second one is also C only. Right? Now, this is a solution is over. You may take screenshot. Looking at the third one, so the remainder when 5x cube minus x square plus 6x minus 2 is divided by 1 minus 5x. So f of x is already given to us. The device g of x is also given to us. We have to find the remainder for that. Okay, let's do that. So this is the given data. So g of x is 1 minus 5x. So we have to equate it to 0, right? Every time, yes. So 1 goes to RHS and become minus 1. So minus 5x is equal to minus 1. And x is equal to this minus will get cancelled and x is equal to 1 by 5. Now wherever you find x in this polynomial, that is f of x, there you will substitute 1 by 5. Okay, fine. So f of 1 by 5 is equal to 5 into 1 by 5. Oh, 1 by 5 whole cube is 1 by 125. So 5 into 1 by 125 minus x square again. So 1 by 25, right? 1 by 5 square is 1 by 25 and plus 6x. So 6 into 1 by 5 is 6 by 5 and minus 2 as it is, right? Now here 25 will be cancelled, right? 5 25 is 125. So 1 by 25 minus 1 by 25 is 0. So these both will get cancelled like that. And 6 by 5 minus 2. So this is 1, right? If no denominator is there. So into 5, obviously LCM is 5. So it is 6 minus 10 by 5. That is, so f of 1 by 5 is minus 4 by 5. Done. That's it. Option A to be written there. So this is the fourth one. Here actually first you will cancel this in the first step, then this both you will be cancelling in the second step and finding the LCM third step. Like that actually it has to go, but I have done it everything directly over in one step only. So actually you should make 3 steps. Understood? So here only 2 steps you have to make and here 1 step. Okay, I didn't make it because I want to show the full solution at a time. Okay, please note it down. So we will see the fourth question. Now if f of x is x power 4 minus 4hx square minus 27x minus 12h and x is a factor of f of x. So one polynomial is given and x is factor for that. Okay, so that's given. So how to do that? It's very simple one only. I will do it. So as x is a factor for this polynomial, it will be equated to 0. Fine. So now we know that this is all the factor. So these terms are containing x there. So we no need to consider this actually. No need to consider this fully. Only minus 12h will be considered because there is no x term there and remaining all that will be having x. So it is minus 12h is equal to 0. H is equal to 0 by minus 12. If you write also, it is 0 only. H value is 0 and option B. Because we should not consider it? It's already a factor for it. So if we have to equate, we can equate each term separately with 0. Okay. So that we'll find the value. So here only in this term we are having h separately so that we can find it easily. X value again we don't know, right? If it will be complicated if you take minus 4hx square. That's why we took 4 last term. Okay. So next we will see the fifth question. The fifth question says if least value what should be added to x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 13 to obtain polynomial which is exactly divisible by x minus 3. So there is given one polynomial. We should add some number least value to that polynomial to get so that it will be exactly divisible by x minus 3. So first what you will do, you will take this here x minus one second. Here x minus 3 is there. X minus 3 if we have to equate it to 0. Minus 3 goes to RHS, it becomes plus 3. So x value is 3. Now wherever you find x in the equation, this polynomial, you will substitute 3 there. Okay, then 3 cube minus the 3x square and 3 minus 3x square plus 4 into 3 minus 14. Then you will find the remainder like that, right? So that remainder will be there, no? That remainder, that is only the thing which we are going to add. That's it. Very simple, right? So it's option D, -1. This solution, it's your homework. I have explained everything detail here only. But then too. Next, matrix matching. Sixth one. So f of x on the left side and the factors are given at the right side. Options are also marked in the box. So first one, x square minus 3x plus 2. So this one I will solve first. I'll give an example how to do this. So first we have a and d. We got the factors. I found that already. So x minus 1. What is the x minus 1 means x minus 1 equal to 0, right? So minus 1 goes to RHS and become plus 1. So x value is 1. Now wherever you find x here, you will put 1. 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2. So 1 square 1, 3 plus 2. So what will be the answer? Here it is 1 minus 3 is minus 2 and plus 2. It is 0. So if you get 0 only, that is a factor. Now if you have, once again let me clear everything. Now if we have here x plus 1, we will take this B option. Okay, so x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 1, right? Now wherever you find x, here put minus 1. Minus 1 whole square minus 3 into minus 1 plus 2. Now minus 1 is 1 and only. Minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. And 3 into minus 1. So minus 3 minus of minus 3 plus 3, right? Plus 2. What is the answer? 6. So it is not a factor. We should get answer 0 only here. Then only it is a factor. So in that way you have to do. Okay. So now I got that answer as A and D. X minus 1 and x minus 2. X minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2. If you take x is equal to 2, what will happen? We'll see. X is equal to 2. Now for this equation, 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. So 2 square 4 minus 3 into 6. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 2. So 6 first we will solve this. So 6 minus 4 is either 2 minus 2 plus 2. It is 0. Done. That's how you have to do. Okay, you will get 0 only. It is a factor, or else it is not a factor. So remaining 3 sums you will take it as homework. Yes, because so easy it is, right? I explained with examples also. Like now 2x minus 1 also I will explain for this criterion. 0, right? We have to equate that to 0. Now minus 1 goes to RHS and becomes plus 1. 2x is equal to 1. X is equal to half. Now substitute in this equation. X is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square minus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 2. Now 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4, right? Minus 3 by 2 plus 2. Now here by 1 will be there. Now find the LCM for that. 4, 2, 2, 4, 2 2s are and 2 1s are. And 2, here wait, I'll just do it. 1, right? So 4, 2, 2 2s are and 2 1s are, again 2. So 4 is the LCM. 2 into 2, 2 into here 4 only will come. Here also multiply by 4, here also either multiply by 2. So 1 by 4 minus 3 into 2 is 6. 6 by 4 plus 2 by 4. 8 by 4. Now when you solve this, you will get minus 5 plus 8. That is minus 3 by 4. That is a wrong answer, right? It's not 0. That's it. And the next one, this for this polynomial, we are having A and D same. And this one, B and C. And the last one, we are having options A only. Okay. So this is Amaral package. Now we'll see the diamond package in the next video. Bye. Do like, share and subscribe to Vishwa Blooms. Thanks for watching. Bye.